Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic. Today I am going to try the Dark Castle palette from Profusion. Sometimes I have a problem with like R's. Profusion palette. So this is a huge palette. So I'm not going to go over every single shade, but I will show you what it looks like. It's got this one little mirror on the wing here, and then all these shades in here, ranging, you've got blacks, teals, pinks, magenta grays, some neutral colors up there, and then we have this unicorn glitter in the middle there. All of the shade names are on the plastic protective sheet. So once I take that out, we won't have the names either. I guess what I can do is just swatch like a couple of them. Let's try the white one up here first. And white, oh, that's a good white. Sometimes on, I'll say inexpensive palettes, but I am going to say I did drop a, one of these came out. So Profusion is a relatively inexpensive line, and but they are known for having fairly good quality for their for the price. So I'm going to also try this purple. I'm going to do this teal here, this black down here. So let's see how these go. Goodness, okay, these swatch really well. They're really pretty pigmented. I'm going to just try how about like this shimmer here, this kind of bluey shimmer. See how that goes. That's a little bit soft. And then I'll do the glitter. I got a big huge gob of the glitter. Oh my goodness. So the glitter is very, very what do you call it? Like, it has good coverage. So the one shimmer though, oh my gosh, is my cat eating the my cat is down there, and I think he started to eat the one shade that likes to fall out. So okay, so I'm gonna do a really quick look with this, and what I'm going to start with is, let's do something that is brown and teal. Is that crazy? No. Let's not do that. I want to use this on the lid, this pink. And so what I'm going to do is so I'm going to do like a pink look. So I'm going to go into this. There's not a whole lot of kick up actually. It's pretty good that way so far. I'm surprised with this pigment. I mean, Profusion is a pretty good brand from what I hear and from what I tried. I tried the Entity palette a little bit ago, and it did a pretty good job. It is smooth, blendable, and minimal kick up. I'm actually going to blend this out with this sort of neutrally shade here. Sort of a tan peach neutrally shade. If you hear sounds, it's my cat Mondu's playing with some of my brushes and stuff. This worked really well. Oh my goodness. It just really like blends the edges, blended it out without blending away any color. I want to go into this deep purple here and just kind of deepen things a little bit. That's lots of color there. Again, I'm going to take this lighter peach to blend things. I'm surprised. I wasn't expecting this much pigment from an inexpensive palette that's so large, has so many colors. I'm going to take that pink shade, and it's a really kind of smooth, buttery shade. So it's really subtle. I think that the mattes really shine, and the shimmers are real subtle in this particular one. I mean, it looks pretty, but yeah, like I said, the shimmers seem kind of more subtle. I'm going to try the purple. I do think the shimmers are so subtle. Okay, I like it. I think it's pretty. Um, I'm the kind of person, I want my shimmers to sort of pop though. But it is soft and lovely. Um, I don't know. I don't know what else to try. This shimmer. Seems like it pops a little bit more. So, okay, so it seems like there's a little bit different qualities in the shimmers, a little bit different formulas. So there's a lot of different shimmers in here. I'm impressed though. It was, I don't remember the price exactly, but I remember it being a lower price point for this. And I'm going to say I enjoy this. I think it's good, especially for the price. It's a cool, little concept here where it opens up like that. And it's a dark castle, and it's got tons of different colors. And yeah, I like it. It's definitely a little bit better than I expected. And I think anyone who wants kind of this deep color scheme and lots of choices, I don't think you necessarily need all the choices, but there's not a lot of redundancy. There's a couple like browns that look kind of similar, a couple grays that look kind of similar, but it's not too bad. And you could do some gradients. So I enjoy it. Seal of approval. Yeah, so that is everything. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.